The expense transaction in QuickBooks can be used to record a variety of transaction types, including debit card transactions, credit card, Interac, wire transfers, etc. To record an expense, click the New menu, and then under Suppliers, choose Expense. First, enter the payee, who you're making the purchase or incurring the expense from. Next, choose the payment account. This must align with the payment method. Let's suppose that we're going to use our debit card. We would make sure that our bank account is there in the payment account. Next, when are we making this payment? Then we choose our payment method. Let's suppose we're using direct debit. QuickBooks auto-fills the expense account associated with this supplier. We know it's going to use subcontractors. Next, enter our description of what they're going to be performing for us. Then we'll enter our amount. And finally, we'll add our sales tax. And that enters our debit card transaction. Those are the fields that are necessary. Nothing else is required. To complete the transaction, click Save and Close. Let's do another expense transaction for a credit card. To record a credit card expense, click the New menu, and then under Suppliers, choose Expense. Start with the payee, and then under the payment account, we'll change the account to a credit card. Next, enter the payment date, and then choose the payment method. This should match the payment account. So this is a Visa card, so we'll choose credit card. Next, we'll choose our category. In this example, we're going to choose subcontractors. We'll enter our amount, and then we'll add our sales tax. Now let's suppose that we wanted to add an additional line. We could tab through the fields and go and add another line. We'll click our drop-down menu to choose our second line. We're going to pay for freight and delivery. We'll enter our amount, and then we'll enter our sales tax. This records an expense transaction, but to a different account to record a credit card entry. You can use the expense transaction for a wide variety of transactions that you may incur in your business. Save this transaction to record the credit card entry.